Hi everyone, today I want to show you a cool project I have been working on, a simple stopwatch using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Imagine having your own digital stopwatch right in your web browser. Well, that's exactly what this project does. I have created a basic web page that features a stylish timer with easy buttons to use. The main part of this page is a central container that hold everything together. Inside there, a timer display that show the time in hour, minute, second, even millisecond. Just below, we find a set of buttons. This button, start button, pause button, and restart button to control the stopwatch. Now coming to the HTML code, div class container. This is the main container that hold a stopwatch element. Div class timer. This display the current stopwatch in hour, minute, second, and millisecond. Div class button. These three type of button that use for control, start, pause, and reset. Reset the stopwatch to 0. Now coming to the CSS. It is responsible for styling the page appearance. It creates a rounded corner with the time display and control button. The color, font, size, adjust visually appearing design. Now coming to the JavaScript. Initialize a variable, keep track of on time, milliseconds, second, minute, and hour. Even added to a start, pause, and reset button. The time display function responsible for incrementing the formatting the time value. It calculates the hour, minute, second, and millisecond and update the time display. This simple stopwatch that start containing you when you click start button, pause when you click pause button, and reset to 0 when you click reset button. The timer display is updated in real time to show the time in hour, minutes, second, and millisecond. Thank you.